why buy bonds? You may have heard us say before that we think bonds are not a great place to be. We've been saying that for a few years. And that has turned out to be true. The yield is not worth the price volatility of traditional bonds. So right now, short-term bonds, because of the inversion of the yield curve, short-term bonds, 1 to 3 month Treasury bills and ultra short-term corporate bonds produce a greater yield with less fluctuation than the traditional type quality bonds with a longer maturity or longer duration. So therefore, we need to stay short if we are in bonds at all. We need to stay super short to make sure that we don't have that downside risk of bonds, but also because of the inversion of the yield curve, ultra short-term bonds, 1 to 3 month Treasury bills have greater yield. So you can pick up about 1% more yield with less risk.